fans what they want. Huh?
Fans want you.
The fans want you.
Hi everyone. Today I make a very special dish. This one my husband favorites. He very lucky, you know, because he have noise. N-O-I. Today we making khai yat sai, Thai omelette stuffed with pork. Okay, you know how it goes. Now let's cooking. Now let's cooking. Now let's cooking. First we're gonna make the sauce for the filling. I want some fish sauce, little bit sugar, and white pepper. We want a lot of white pepper. White pepper gonna give it all the flavor. This ingredient optional. Tomato ketchup. When Marion little, she loves the tomato sauce on this one. But you can leave it out too. And mix it all up. Now we're gonna make the filling. Get your pan hot, add some oil. Now the garlic, put one first, in case. Okay, I don't want too hot, I don't want garlic to burn. Now the onion. Now we add the pork mince. You can use chicken or beef too. Just break up the pork in here. Now good already. Young kids love this one. Marion loved this one when she little. When I cooking, Marion loves to be in the kitchen with me. Now she's still in the kitchen with me. I can't get rid of her. Now I have to put up the son-in-law too. Now the sauce. Now I'm gonna add some tomato. You can add a lot of vegetables you want. Pea or capsicum, any your family like. Marion wants some more tomato sauce. Oh, Marion's so bossy sometimes. That looks good. Put out into the plate. Now we make the omelette. I'm gonna use 3 eggs. You know, always have to crack in the bowl first. You never know you can get a bad egg. I like to add a little bit water. Just break up the egg. Just put a little bit of salt too. Mix it all up. Now we get the hot pan. Now the oil. We don't need too much oil. Just close to the bottom. Now we add the egg. Just fold around a bit. We don't want too thick. We don't want too brown either. When the egg just set, put the filling in the middle. Now I'm gonna fold it over. One side first. Now the other side. Look at that. Now fold at the end over. Gonna make a little parcel. Now we come to the tricky part. Tricky part. Tricky part. I can't never say it. Gonna get the omelette out of the pan. Oh, look at that. I like to put a coriander on the top. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of spicy sauce. You don't have to, it's up to you. That's very good. Another winner from Noi. Let's see. Oh, look at that. I want a little bit of spicy sauce. Oh, so good. Marion gonna love this one. You come and eat it.
Did you make it just for me? Did you? I know, because I asked you to put some tomato sauce in there, didn't I? It's so good.
Very good.
It's really good.
Yeah.
I always love this one when you make it. Does it always taste better when you make it?
Yes.
It doesn't taste as good when I make it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know. Yours is always better. Very delicious.
Mom always better.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. So our sauces and marinades are in Coles in Australia right now. What should people do?
Head to Cole, you don't miss out.
Listen to Noi.
Yeah.